Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are here in a community called Santa Rita Ranch right here in Liberty Hill, Texas. We are going to be touring a model home built by CastleRock right here. This one is called the Hayden floor plan. It's 2809 square footage with a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It's got a media and a game room. So let's go ahead and check it out. I love the design options that are here in the model home. So you guys can kind of see how you want to design your home. The structural options in this one that they have included is the gourmet kitchen, the covered patio, and a fireplace. The one feature that I love about this kitchen is the backsplash right here. I love that color green. And you can see these are the quartz countertop. And you've got this amazing farm sink. And here it is, your laundry room. And another unique thing that I've noticed is the 2 sinks that they have. And that's your door to the backyard. And then right here, we're going to be entering a beautiful master bedroom. And just love the decorations that they have used in this master bedroom. Comment below if you guys think you would use any of these design options that's going to help you decorate your room. Nice big walk-in closet in the master bedroom. And here we go into the master bathroom. These are inventory homes at the moment right now, so it's meaning that you cannot build anything from ground up at the moment, but they will be releasing some lots later on in the month of August and September of 2023. So if you guys are interested to build from ground up, contact me, let me know. I can get you guys started, connect you with the builder. Just look at how open this floor plan is. Again, a lovely decor designed for the little kids. If you guys have any, a walk-in closet. It is so cozy. The second bedroom also has the walk-in closet. Here's the third bedroom upstairs with a walk-in closet. So all the bedrooms up here have a walk-in closet. And I just love the designs in all these bedrooms, nicely decorated. And here we enter the media room. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy the tour, and if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button, as you will be getting more information on new construction homes, home buyers, seller tips, and just things to do around here in Austin.